Hello everyone, my name is Rashmi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Google business listing and how they're important for your business. Okay, so what is a business listing as such? Business listing is an online entry which is done on another website and it contains some crucial details about your business such as your name, contact and your address of the business. So what are some additional details that can be included in a business listing? Okay, so apart from the name, address and phone number, which is abbreviated as NAP, you can also include some information such as the images and videos of your business or reviews and ratings and the links of your website so that people are able to directly click on the link and reach your website. As you can understand from this, business listings are very important for local businesses to grow. बट अब आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि ऐसे कौन से वेबसाइट्स होंगे जो आपको अपना बिजनेस फ्री में प्रमोट करने देंगे. सो देर आर सम वेबसाइट्स विच विल अलाउ यू टू डू बिजनेस लिस्टिंग्स फॉर फ्री. सम ऑफ विच आर गूगल, फेसबुक, लिंक्डइन, येल्प, okay, and Foursquare, CitySlick and Yellowbook. So these are some of the examples, but because Google is free and most widely used server, so it is the most effective and most preferred choice for doing business listings. So what are the benefits of doing some Google business listings? We will continue to know this in the upcoming part of this video. Okay, so the first benefit of a Google business listing is that it increases the visibility of your business. What this means that suppose a user is searching for a business which is related to your niche, then there is an increased chance that they will be able to see your business listed on the search engine result page of Google. Okay, the second advantage of Google business listing is that it creates a authority for your website. As you know that Google is very much trusted by the user. Okay, so if they see that your business is listed on Google, they might feel confident to click on the link of your business and go through your website. So in this way, it creates a genuine authority for your website. Okay, so the combined effect of this, genuine authority and increased visibility will be that there will be more organic traffic on your website. Okay, the more people will visit your website, there will be the higher ranking of your website on the search engine result page, and this will create a increased online presence for your business and create brand awareness about your business. As you know that if you want to become a brand from a simple business, then online presence is very much essential. So now आप convince हो गए या मैं अभी आपको और बोल के बताऊँ? तो I think हो ही गए होंगे. And for more such informative videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep watching and keep growing with us. Thank you and have a nice day.